Okay, so today we are going to study our new chapter, which is capacitor. So first thing, what exactly is a capacitor? If we just notice, if you have a bucket that is filled with the water, so we just say that this bucket has the ability to store water. Just like that, we have the capacitor, which simply means it is a device, or it's like a bucket which store electrical charge, electrical energy into it. That's known as capacitor. So if I just write a definition would be it is a device, or we can also call this as a conductor device, or conductor, which have the ability, or which is used to store, which is used to store which is used to store electric charge. If electric charge has been stored, this means there would be electric energy. So we can also say that they have there's a store, or the electric energy is stored in this. Electric energy is stored. Okay, then I am sure that you get the concept of the capacitor. So I'm sure that you are getting concept. This simply is like capacitor electronic component. We can also write this as electronic component, or a device, or a conductor, which is used to design or store electric charge. I'm sure now it's clear. Then capacitor, like we can take an example. If we have a plain body, if this is a body, okay, then we have the two capacitors here, which are of course attached with the battery. Okay, but let me tell you, if you find like a big like wire, we can say this is a battery provides volt is like potential difference. So okay, then if this side is a bigger, so we just call this as a positive side. The one you find bigger in size, that would be positive, and the smaller would be negative. That is the good habit, not habit, but this is quality of battery. Okay, whereas if you just see together, like these are equal in size, if these are if these are equal in size, this means that are known as capacitance. Okay, not capacitance, but that is capacitors, like that are known as capacitor when these both are equal. But if you find a difference in the size, this means these are attached with the battery provides voltage, and voltage is the unit of potential difference, or electric potential. Okay, and then we have the concept of capacitance as well. So capacitance, or we'll discuss capacitance in the next video, whereas I just want to tell you about the dielectric in this video. So let me just so I've just made a picture. What exactly is this? This is I've just taken a capacitor, which is these are known as the conductive plates. These are two plates. I've just made one, this one, and the second, this one. Okay, these two plates, they consist, or like they're separated by insulating material, and that insulating material is this part. This insulating material is known as dielectric. This is known as dielectric. Dielectric is simply a solid part, or where like there's no current flowing, but no current is flowed in there, but they help in the developing of electric field. If the charge, this is a positive, a negative charge, this is the positive charge. Okay, and then dielectric is simply, this is a solid part which is placed inside this charges, difference in the charges. Okay, then there would be no current flowing in this, but they help in the developing of the electrical field, or electric field lines. Okay, in this, like we simply just call this as a medium. Dielectric is a medium. Okay, so let me just write it. Okay, so I've just written a definition that exactly tells, like this is the dielectric is simply a medium, and we just call this as a solid just because it's a, we can just call it a solid. It's a hard material which does not allow current